Hey folks, this is Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin here with another video here. I'm going to show you, okay, right now in this video here, how to earn $2,100, okay, in 31 minutes, okay, with your phone, okay? Let me say it again. Hey, listen, please. I'm going to show you right now live. There's my computer, and here's the money that I spent with the money that I'm going to show you how I earned the money, okay? $2,100 in 30 minutes. Now, I know you're thinking to yourself, this is insane. And I know you're thinking that you think that this is not legit. Listen, with that type of thinking, you'll always be poor and broke, and you'll be upset at people like me. But I know you love me, right? You love me, right? Tell me that you love me. You love me because I'm doing this video for free for you right now. And look at this. Let me show you something cool here. Take a look. You see those bags there? I went to Saks. You know they're not empty. Look, I bought clothes. See? And the reason why I keep buying clothes like this, and I bought shoes as well. You see that? Shoes. It's because of this computer right here. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna show you the website and the technique where you can do right now as a brand new person on the internet to make money right now using your iPhone. You don't need a laptop. You don't need a computer. You just need to listen to the video. Show me some love, right? Hit the like button. Go here first. Show me some love at Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin here, while I create videos like this almost every day, because there are hundreds of thousands of ways to make money. If you have no money, no budget, this is for you. My channel is for you. I'm that black guy right here, right here, that shows the world how to use the computer and the internet on how to make money. Okay, so if you want me to get started, I want everybody right now to give me a let's go. All right, here we go. Let's get into it. Boom, here we go. So the website is called ShrinkEarn.com. Basically, what you do is this, and I'm gonna show you some proof that's gonna blow your mind. You can put your URL here, okay? Anything. You can put WesleyVirgin.com. Watch this. You can put WesleyVirgin.com, okay? I'm not a robot, right? And once you do that, what happens is it goes to another page that shows some ads, right? That ShrinkEarn is going to produce. And then your customer or your user has the opportunity to basically skip the actual page, but you earn money every time that happens. Now, I know you're like, what are you talking about, Wes? That makes no sense. Now listen, if you watch to the very end of this video, I'm gonna show you a way how to get tons of traffic, basically for almost nothing. And this is what I use personally. And usually internet marketers like me, like I've earned about $40 million on the computer. That's the reason why I can go to Saks like almost once a week and just buy random clothes for no reason. The reason why internet marketers don't show you this, because they want you to pay them first, right? They want you to say, hey, click the link in my description. Of course, I have a link in my description as well. I can show you other ways to make money, but in this video, I'm gonna show you how I made $2,100, and you can do the same thing if you're motivated and you're excited. Let's go! All right, here we go. So this is how it works here, okay? How does it work? It's easy. So ShrinkEarn, what they do is this. It's a URL shortener, okay? Have you guys heard of bit.ly.com, Google shorteners? The problem with those shorteners, they don't pay you any money, right? But these guys, they will pay you when you shorten your link, right? Your customer, your user, click on the link, okay? And basically, it goes to a page with some random ads. As long as they land on the page and they can skip it, you still get paid. Does that make sense? Is everybody with me so far? Let me show you my dashboard. Okay, hold on. Let me log in. You sign up here, and yes, I know what you guys are thinking. Is it worldwide, Wesley? I listened to the comments below. Put your city, state, or province below, because it's worldwide. That means anybody can do this from around the world. And they give me a love. If you love that, a lot of you like, yo, Wesley, I love you. I'm in Africa right now and I need this money. I'm in Jamaica. I am in Barbados, Wesley Virgin. I need this. Listen, anybody can do this. It doesn't matter where you are around the planet. You can do this. Username, email, password. You're not a robot. Register and you're in, okay? So what I'm going to do is, since I already have a membership, right? Because I'm a winner. Winners always get memberships. They listen to videos like this, and they actually take action with the information here. As you can see, my username is Billions here. I'm not a robot. I'm gonna sign in, and this is what it looks like here. This is what it looks like inside. And it's just really simple. You go here, pay attention here. You go to manage links. You go to, manage links, all links, tools. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Mass Shrinker. You see this right here? You go to Mass Shrinker. It's been a while since I did this. I don't do this too much right now because I make a ton of money doing other things now. And I teach people, like brand new people like yourself, how to make money quickly, like $10,000 a month in the first 60 days. And I'll share more about that later. But listen, this is just for the broke college student or the broke person that doesn't have any technical skills. This is for you. So this is what you do. You type in like whatever your URL is, okay? WesleyVirgin.com. And I'm gonna show you a live demo in a second. I'm just giving an example. And basically this site, when you shorten the URL, boom, that's your URL. Anytime somebody clicks on that, they're gonna see this little page. They have some ads here. And when they hit the skip button, basically you're getting paid, okay? Now you might want to know how much do you get paid? Let me show you. I wanna be completely transparent with you. Hold on, give me 1 second. Let me log out here. And let me show you exactly how much money you get paid. These are publisher rates, and they pay you up to $20 an hour per thousand views. That makes sense? $20 an hour per 1,000 views. Does that make sense? Everybody with me? Okay. From $3 to $20. Now, let me show you something, because I know some of you are still confused. You're right. You say, okay, Wesley, okay, so they click on the link, and if they click on it 1,000 times, I make $20 or I make $13. It all depends on what ad or what city or what country it's being displayed from. But let me show you something. Let me show you a live example. This is my channel. You see my channel? This is Wesley $1 billion Virgin that you are subscribed to, and I thank you for that, and thank you for liking this video, because I always do free videos to help you guys make money to leave the 9-to-5 job, because the 9-to-5 job, honestly, I hate to say this, but it's for losers. I mean, I know some people may say, Wesley, I love my job. Well, you shouldn't be watching this video then. It's not for you. This is for the future millionaires, okay? Now look here. You see that video got seen 21 million times. But it's not fair. I'm going to show another video. I did this video for free on YouTube. And listen, if you watch to the very end of this video, I'm going to show you. I can't believe I'm doing this for free, but I'm going to show you a website that will help you take your YouTube channel from 0 to like thousands very quickly here. There's tools on the internet that you're not aware of, that internet marketers put in programs. I'm exposing these people, right? That's what they do. They put it in a program and then they sell it to you. I'm not doing it to you. I'm going to give you the tools for free in this video. So if that's cool, can you hit the like button for me? Okay. Yeah, because it will encourage me to do more of these videos if you hit the like button, because I'm giving you stuff that internet marketers charge you for. Okay. Is that cool? So check it out. That video has been seen 2.9 million times. So if we click on this button that says details here, as you can see, I'm using ShrinkEarn. See, that's my link. I did this years ago, by the way. I mean, it's just extra income for me, right? I put the link in the description. Skip shrink ads, right? So that means all these people that click, watch this video here. Let me give you an example. Let's do the math here. Okay. So if 2.9 million people watched that video here, that was for free, by the way. And I'm going to show you a traffic source if you want to get like tons of traffic to your website. I'm gonna show you something cool. But hold on. Let me bring up my calculator here. So let's say out of 3 million people, 10% of people actually clicked on the link, okay? Because everybody's not gonna click on the link. Make sense? So all they gotta do is click. When they click on it, they're gonna see the advertisement, then they hit the skip button, you get paid for that. So let's be conservative. Let's say that they're paying us $7 per thousand, okay? So if that's basically out of 3 million, 10% of 3 million is 300,000. That's 300 times 7, okay? Look at that's $2,100. But listen, I didn't do anything. All I did was create a video, upload the video, and $2,100, which allowed me to buy clothes for no reason. Does that make sense? Is everybody with me so far? If you're with me, say, Wesley, I'm with you. Okay? Let me go slow. Look, even on this video here, I got over 21 million views. Okay? When I upload it to YouTube, and don't worry, if your YouTube channel have no subscribers, I'm going to give you a website that you're going to hit the love button once I give you that website, because it helps you build your channel fast. Everybody uses this. Mark Cuban, Evan Carmichael, Tyler, all these people use this site, and I'm going to give it to you for free. All you have to do is tell me where you're calling from in the comments below and say, Wesley, I love you. I love you, Wesley Virgin, because it's free. Okay? It's the same thing. I do it here. And I just put the link here, right? That's it. That's all I did. And of course, this video probably makes me about $5,000. Not sure. I haven't checked those accounts in a while because I make a lot of money on the internet. I really do. Okay? Does that make sense? So now the question is this. You might say, okay, Wesley, how can I start now? Listen, you can do this on your social media. You can do this on your Facebook page. You can do it on your TikTok account. You can do it on your Instagram account. But say if you're like me years ago, I didn't have any subscribers. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to get subscribers. Who wants to know how to do that, right? Because you can create a video. That's easy. Anybody can create a video, put it on YouTube. But the point is, how do you get the traffic and how do you get it quicker here? Okay, does that make sense? Hit the like button if I just gave you massive value so far. Hit the like button if you want me to give you the site to drive the traffic from the video that you're going to create. Okay, and listen, you can put this link anywhere. Okay, it can be your program, it can be your affiliate link. Maybe you're promoting Overnight Millionaire, which is my program, right? And you want to use this link to make double the money. You can do that as well. Because every time they click, you're going to make money up to $20 per 1,000 views. Does that make sense? It's all about autopilot money. Can you comment that below, please? Listen. Autopilot money. Okay? All right, here we go. Let me give you guys the website. Here we go. Boom. vidiq.com. Please don't tell anybody I showed you this. You see that? Evan Carmichael. You know that guy? He uses this well. Darrell Eves. I know this guy actually. He's a beast. Good God, look at this. So all these, listen, the largest YouTube channels on the planet, they use this site because and it's not free. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's not free. You do have to pay a little bit to get some of the bells and whistles, but you can start off with a free account. Even Mark Cuban. Even Mark Cuban says, hey man, get this stuff because it works. It just drives traffic to the YouTube channel. They have some very cool, peculiar things to do it, and it's popular. I use it. That's why my channel right now is at 200,000, I think, and I'm making money. Okay, so listen, if I gave you massive value, if you can do this right now, I want you to say, Wesley, first I'm going to like this video because you're an amazing guy, because you're giving us these free techniques for free, and then I want you to put in the comment section below, let's go, because listen, you got to have enthusiasm. And you have to believe in yourself, okay? I know I have a lot of videos online, and I appreciate you subbing to my channel here. But listen, choose one. This is not going to make you a multimillionaire, okay? I'm going to be honest. It's not going to make you rich. But it will bring in some money until you really understand how to create products online, digital products, and make millions of dollars like Wesley Virgin did. And listen, always in the description below, I have a link if you want me to teach you how to create a product online within 45 to 60 days. If you follow step by step in that system, I will leave a link below. I know all of you won't jump, but some of you will take a leap of faith. If you do that right now, it's available. To be honest with you, all you need to do is go here, man, and put your link. You can put your link on Facebook. Any link, if you're using Bitly, anytime you want to shorten your link, just go to ShrinkEarn. Okay? Does that make sense? Just go to ShrinkEarn and let them pay you. This is called residual passive income. Are you listening to me? This is called residual passive income. Can everybody hear me? Let me say it again. Listen, put it in the comments below. This is residual passive income. If that's what you want, do this. Now, for some of you that would like to create a product online, that's what I did. I came from the air mattress here in Houston, Texas. I'm a young black man in Houston, Texas. Listen, I'm not that smart. I didn't graduate from high school. No, I did graduate from high school. I didn't graduate from college, okay? I don't have any type of specialized type of degree. They even kicked me out of the Army. I've had over 30 jobs and they fired me, okay? But now, I changed my life and I changed the life of my family. All from creating products online and all from giving value like this. If that's what you're looking for, if you want me to mentor you, I will. In the link below, in the description, I have a link. It says online help, okay? Online millionaire mastery. I teach people. It doesn't matter if you're 18, 13, 44, divorced, single, it doesn't matter who you are. But as long as you work. Now, if you're lazy, I don't want to be around you. If you are the type of person that complains, I don't want to be around you. I want someone that is hungry for it, starving for success. And I'm going to show you, okay? Just like I showed you in this video here. It's free. I do recommend use ShrinkEarn. It works. It will help you make some money with your links. I gave you all the information and I think I deserve a like. But listen, if you want me to help you to create a product, I've helped a couple of thousand people create products here. And if you want me to do it for you, hey, in the link below in the description, you'll see a link to get involved with that. If not, go to ShrinkEarn. Hey, listen, if I deserve a like, hit the like button for you, boy. Go ahead. Yeah, I'm talking to you. I'm waiting. Yeah, go ahead. Hit the like button. Appreciate that. Okay, can you sub to the channel so you can get more videos like this? Because listen, I have over 15 streams of revenue. This is why I can buy so much stuff for no reason. Listen, let me show you something here. Look, and I'm not trying to brag or boast. I just want you guys to know something, that this is possible. See this Hublot watch? Why did I buy this stupid watch? It was dumb, $20,000. Who cares? You see this AP here? It's flooded with diamonds here. That's $80,000. I don't show you that to brag or boast. I'm just letting you know it's possible and you can do it too. I'm not that smart, I'm not that bright, but I'm passionate and I'm motivated and dedicated. Let's go! Hey guys, I love you. This is Wesley $1 billion Virgin. Motivated, dedicated. Let's go.